welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing today? I hope you guys are doing good. If you are new to my channel, you are welcome to Share with Love TV. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I will be taking you guys along as we go to my daughter's open house for school. School is starting very soon, and today was the open house. We have to go there so that the kids can know their classroom and also know their teachers, and that's it, guys. First of all, we went to Abigail's school, that is elementary school. Then after we finished from elementary school, we went to the middle school for Alessia. Please keep watching as we take you guys along. And I also went with my friend, okay, my neighbor Amma. She took her kids also. We were both together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, please don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to share this video. Keep watching and please don't click out. You guys see Miss O'Neill? Oh, look at Miss O'Neill. Huh? We are going to the 10th floor. Where is she? Where's your mom? Wait. Oh, don't go. What? If not, we can't keep up with you guys. She's talking to somebody there. Huh? Huh? She's coming.
She's interviewing someone.
When you get to the end of this wall, do another round.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's go.
We're gonna have silver and
What color is your one again?
We're in green.
What is your hair? Is it green or yellow? Blue? Green? That's a teacher's class. Go, Jojo.
This is
I'll go. Okay, go ahead.
Are you going to look for us later? Are you going to see us later? Don't you have to call? If we finish it, we're going to Alessia Purple Hall.
I want to say hi to the 7th grade
Teacher class look at what the high school today was amazing. I have a video.
Yes, Abigail. Where's the stair? Okay. Jojo, come on. We're going to climb the stairs. Another step. Hey. Hi. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Where is she? Yes, Miss Wilson. Wilson.
or Wednesday.
Did you tell you? I don't know. We'll see. Maybe it's this one, huh? We'll see. She there even.
Cause they
Go and ask her.
Thank you so much for your work, everything you do for us.
If all my kids were like him,
Uh-huh.
then my job would be the easiest job in the world.
Yeah, yeah.
Especially Aubrey, she just laughed. You just missed Aubrey. I told her, I was like, I can't even believe you came to see me.
She used to hit you with a ruler.
She after she hit me with a ruler, I know. So I'll have you for Georgia history. I try to keep it interesting. Do I keep it interesting?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll give you all kind of fun facts and stuff like that, and kind of let you learn things that you wouldn't expect to know about Georgia. Matter of fact, you ever seen the statue on top of the Mall of Georgia? Who is it? You remember? Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Who signed the Declaration of Independence? No problem. Thank you.
It's not normally like that.
Have a good year. Miss Ross.
Hopefully you like your over. Is it not? It's gonna be there all year. Hi guys. Yeah. All right, perfect. So this is your bus information and your schedule. And then all this stuff, this is just what you need to make sure you get done today. And then this is your schedule for just those 3 days you're at home when everyone else is at school. We'll do like 20 or 30-minute classes each period, just on life, not anything academic. And then you'll come back a week from Monday.
okay.
So this coming Monday, a week.
I'm sorry.
When did you become all muscly?
Yeah.
Why are you a man? Timothy!
It changed.
Let me see. Why are they men? And my son, I have an 8th grader, and he comes down and he's like, "Hey, mom." What did you do?
They grow so fast.
Look at his arms.
Yeah, look at his chest.
And your
Yeah,
have you been working out, or is this just happening?
No,
just happening.
it's like
This is what you're like.
daddy body.
Is that?
He is probably one of the best students I have ever had.
Thank
Oh,
you.
I
wow.
don't know who's mom or who's what, but
That's the mom.
he's amazing.
Thank
He
you.
sat in my class all year long and did exactly what he was supposed to do. Right, Jeff Johnson?
I'm already crazy.
Say
Yeah.
that again.
He is one of the best students I have ever had in class.
Whoa, that's
So
amazing.
So are you brother, sister? Where are we here?
We are cousins.
Cousin?
Your neighbors, the same.
Brother. Brother. So cousin.
My daughter go to college. Yeah.
God, you have a lot going on.
College.
Yeah,
You have a lot going on.
we have a lot going on.
Well, I have an 8th grader as well. He goes to Twin Rivers, and then I have a 10th grader at Mountain View. I have a daughter that is in 10th grade. So Timothy knows all. I talk about him all the time. So But yeah, oh Timothy. I saw David, Felix. I
I saw David only.
Did you see Aubrey?
No.
Aubrey, I've seen her. Oh, Timothy, I'm so
Timothy,
glad
can we
you-
take picture? Video first and next.
Yeah, get to meet with your whole
Oh,
teacher.
video?
Yeah, that's a video.
And then-
Picture.
And then-
Yes. Timothy, I
Okay,
mean,
now
you're gonna
I'm gonna
masturbate.
take picture. I'm gonna take picture. Yaga, I remember.
So, are you ready for high school? Hey, we're gonna have a good year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye, big one. Okay. Can you are going now? We're going to cafeteria.
Yes.
Okay, you did sign it online?
No, you started wrong. No,
Yeah.
it's fine.
Oh, okay.
Isha.
Now we're going to the cafeteria. What are we supposed to be doing here? Jojo, what are you supposed to be doing?
We're gonna go for registration.
Registration, yeah.
I think it's a listener.
Oh, yeah.
You look like a listener.
What was this one? If you can bring it, you can.
Why is it so hot?
Guys, we're done from school now. We just want to stop at Walmart
School shopping.
and buy some stuff. Ooh, it's so hot. Just so crazy. Cover your mouth.
You want mayonnaise?
Yeah, little man.
Mayonnaise?
Lettuce, lettuce.
There's it.
You don't know your mom phone number.
Hey,
For receipt. Look at them.
How you doing? How you doing?
hey, I can't go. I need to go.
Hurry up.
I'm going to. Then you go take care of yourself.
What are you going to do with your hat?
No, you're going to that place.
You feel like somebody has. You
How
can't
about
do
the
that.
church? It's a one friend.
With the kids? Everyone's here.
They got to pay for the kids before they start school.
Okay guys, we are back at home. It has been a long day. After we ate at Subway, then we went to do some
School shopping.
school supply shopping. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what some of the things we bought. Okay, we bought some few things.
You got.
Let me show you the camera.
Okay, guys. So
This is what
first is copy paper. It's big old copy paper. So I did that for class. Third grade. I'm starting third grade.
third grader. Copy. Put it there. What's it?
And
Just bring everything out.
okay, got
Bring everything out from the bag.
dry erase markers. 5-star notebook. Scissors. And then the board. We got too many erase markers.
How many did we buy? Are you not the one that pick all of them?
No.
Oh, you bring everything here. Come on, come on.
Okay. And I got this binder because we need it for class to put all my information. My notebook. Oh, I think some is for Alessia.
Yeah, someone's for Alessia, yeah.
And
Just bring everything. Alessia is going to sort. You guys will
this
sort
is for
it.
Alessia mechanic pencils.
This one is for you.
I got two purple and yellow folder, and I got pencils. We got glue sticks. We got a lot of pairs. A lot of erase markers.
How many did you buy?
No, I didn't buy anything. All I put.
Yeah, you were the one that was picking all of them.
All I put in there was this one. That's it. And then someone else put some in. Maybe it was Timothy. Then I got composition. I think it's composition.
Composition. Why composition?
Book. And I got crazy art, super.
Bring those one hats. Yeah, this is all what we got, but we're not done yet. I think tomorrow we are going to go.
Searching for book bags.
We will buy some book bags and some of the remaining stuff that we need to buy. So far, they put everything together. This composition bag, put them together.
I only need 5. 1, 2, 3. I don't know why I need this much more. Only because of the subject.
This one's pencil.
This grade is gonna be hard, guys.
It's not going to be hard.
Well, I have to learn multiplication.
Of course, you have to learn it.
And that's gonna be hard.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. And this one I got this one from the from mail.
Don't show the address.
Yeah, I got this one from mail. I think you want to boost. Okay, guys, I think I need to end the video right here. As I said earlier, what little stuff we got so far. We're not done with the shopping yet. We just
need to go shopping for a book bag
and
and
lunchbox and some other stuff that need to be completed. That's it, guys. I will say bye today.
Bye. Hope you guys like this video.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Hope you guys like all my videos.
I think you can't wait to go back to school.
I can't wait to see on the bus, make more friends, and yeah, but it's gonna be hard.
Yeah.
I have to learn multiplication.
Yeah, me too. I can't wait for them to go back to school. That's it.
Because you'll be all by yourself. You'll do your YouTube stuff and be at your premiere. You're like,
This girl, you see how mad.
Vivian.
Okay, guys, that's it for today. That's the end of this video. Thank you so much, everyone, for watching. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video. I love you guys. And please don't forget to support my channel by hitting on that thanks button under the video. We appreciate every one of you guys. Say bye to them.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you guys in
I love you guys.
Bye.